Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhail here, and on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to block pop-up ads on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's start. If the ads appears while you're using the Chrome, first of all you have to open the Chrome, and from there tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner. A dialog box will pop up. Now again tap on settings. Once you land on the settings page, scroll all the way down and you will see site settings under the advanced section. So tap on site settings, and in here scroll down, and under this content section you will see pop-ups and redirects. Make sure that it is blocked. If it is not, tap on there. If your toggle is turned on, you can simply turn that off, and once you block the pop-ups and redirect, after that go back, and under the same section you will see intrusive ads. Make sure that it is blocked as well. If it is not blocked, tap on there, and if the toggle is turned on, you have to simply turn that off. Once you're done, again go back. Clearing the cookies will also help. For that, again go back to the Chrome's setting menu. Once you're on these settings, and at the top you will see privacy and security under this basic section. So tap on privacy and security. From here again tap on clear browsing data at the top, and in here make sure that the cookies inside data that you can see on the interface is selected before clearing the data. Once you're done with that, but if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. Now back again, once you're done selecting the cookies inside data, now tap on clear data. So this will help you to block the pop-up ads. Now if the pop-up ads are appearing outside the Chrome while you're using any type of apps, that might be because of the recently installed app on your device. So what you can do is simply uninstall one or two of those recently installed app on your device before the pop-up has appeared on your device. If that's not still the case, then you can simply check all the apps which are suspicious on your device. For that, open the settings on your device, and in here to go onto your app list on your device, simply tap on apps, then again tap on see all apps. Here you will be able to see all your installed app on your device, and from here scroll down and look for any apps that you might not recognize or that may be suspicious. If you found any, make sure you uninstall that app, which will help you to block the pop-up ads on your Android device. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.